Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We'll be looking at how we can set up the Visual Studio Code for C++ programming. So to set up the Visual Studio Code for C++ programming, we need to add a few key components, that is the environment and a few extensions that will support C++. So we'll start by downloading the MinGW, which is the environment for C++, which will support C++ programming in the Visual Studio Code. So we'll do that by copying this link. So we have the link to download the MinGW, so we'll just copy and paste it in order to start the download of the MinGW. So you have this window for the MinGW download, the 32 and the 64-bit window. So just hit the download button in order to start. So after that, we can go to where our MinGW is. I already have this file, so just cancel that. So this is my MinGW and you need to extract it, so just hit the extract button, say not all, and this process will start the extraction. So just cancel it because I already have this file. So you can go to where our MinGW is in the drive C. We have the MinGW, open the bin, and now we can copy this link. So this is the link which we will be copying and pasting. So we just copy the link, go back to my computer, and you right click on the empty space, hit properties, and you go to the advanced system settings, the environment variables and the path, you hit edit. So at this area, this is where we are going to copy and paste the path. So I already have this path created in the environment, so you will just copy and paste the path. So I already have this environment, so we just hit OK after that, and OK and OK. So we don't need this window. So after that, we need to confirm that we have the right version of the MinGW. So we go to command, go to command in order to see if you have the correct version of the MinGW. So write this command, then hit OK. So if we receive this display in the command prompt, it means you have the right version, the right environment for the C++ programming. So we'll go back to the Visual Studio Code. We still need to add a few extensions that will support the programming of C++ in the Visual Studio Code. So we'll just go to the environments, and we have a look. I already have these extensions, so we'll just go over the ones that we need to download them. So we'll start with the C++ IntelliSense and debugging. So we'll just hit the download, and the download will just start outright. And the other is C++ Compiler. This will enable you to run the code with ease. After that, we have another. You can download the C++, the snippets, so that will just start outright, and also the C++ themes. So after downloading those 4 extensions, those will help to kickstart to help in the setting up the environment of C++ in the Visual Studio Code. So after that, we can see if we can create a file, a C++ file, and to be able to run the file in the Visual Studio Code. So just create a new file, and we save it as a C++ file. So just call it new beginner. Just save it as new beginner, and we save it as a C++ file. So you can see the Visual Studio Code has created a C++ file for us. So you can just start by creating a simple C++ file. Let's start by the IOStream, just creating a simple C++ code. We have the namespace and our main section. This is not needed. So we have the inside we can have a simple piece of code. So you can declare a variable, the name, input the name. Name is Jimmy, and you can have an output, hello, and then you can say the name we declared, and welcome to C++ programming, and then we can end the line. And then we can run the code and see if this piece of code can run in Visual Studio Code. So you can just hit the run button. We have two, so just delete that. So the compiling will take place at this point. So the compiler will just be at the bottom. So you can see we have this display, hello Jimmy, welcome to C++ programming. So we've set up the Visual Studio Code for C++ programming. I hope you have done the same after following those few steps. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.